Tommy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today, as y'all can see in the title, I am getting dreads. Well, I'll be doing them myself. So I thought it would be fun for y'all to see exactly my process of doing my own dreads. I do my own hair basically all the time because I'm always want to do something a little different from when anybody else do my hair. So yeah, it takes me a while to do my own hair because sometimes I just care too much, but today it's not going to be like that. I just really want to put dreads in my hair. My goal this year was to have dreads, well, not dreads, but a protective style in my hair for all of the summer, and I've been rocking wigs and stuff all of June. So July, protective style, it's protective style time for me. So I just wanted to kind of give y'all a sneak peek of my hair. I do want to do a natural hair like channel too, so hopefully I could commit to that and y'all can see how I maintain my hair, because I've been doing really well with my hair. I've been deep conditioning every week, and I got a trim in March, I believe. Yeah, I got a trim on my hair in March, and I can see my hair is really growing. Oh yeah, you know, you see my wise hairs right here. But I low-key feel like I have a lot of hair. But yeah, for my protective style, I don't know exactly how I want to do my dreads, but I will insert some pictures on what I have in mind. I don't want them too long because it's too the client, and she booked her appointment with me to do dreads. You know, I'm have her dreads because she wanted them extended, so I'm doing that to her dreads. And then a couple days before her appointment, she cancels. And I tried to return her dreads to her. She never responded back. I'm assuming she was embarrassed. Whatever the case is, this is why I'm using these particular dreads. This is not necessarily what I would purchase for my own hair, but I got free dreads, so I'm gonna just put them in. And they're a burgundy color, so this is kind of different from what I usually put in my hair. I'm always closer to the blondes as far as protective style, so this is a nice little, well, something different I could do with my hair over this quarantine. So let me show y'all my hair. Y'all, I am tender-headed, so please don't judge me. But I have some length. Oh, look, my wise hairs. So I'm about to blow dry my hair some more because I want it to be manageable as I do my hair. I don't want it to revert and it be harder for me to part my hair as I do my dreads. So watch me blow dry my hair. So this is my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and part it off camera. It's a whole lot, y'all. I consider myself 4C, so it does revert easily, and my curls are pretty tight. So every time I part it, it's like I'm fighting for my life. But yeah, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I went to sleep and I woke up with my hair in those 2 buns. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna get started, guys. I'll be back. no particular preference. Let me show y'all the back. As it is part, I really don't care, especially when it comes to doing my own hair. It's not as easy as people make it seem. So if my parts aren't perfect, hey, I done everything else and my parts are a little crooked, I'm fine with that. Before I got started, I did a protein treatment on my hair and I deep conditioned my hair. It's $12.49 right now. I wasted, let me not say I wasted, but I used a lot of my time. I wanted to start early in the morning, but hey, things happen. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Let me show y'all what time it is. It's 3:40. So I started around, was it 1 or 12? Whatever time that was. I started around 12-ish and I got this much done. I think I'm going pretty fast. I decided to keep it thick because I want an easy takedown. I don't want to wear them more than a month. So on the thicker side would be best for me. So yeah, this is what I got done so far. I'm binge watching Breaking Bad because I feel like that's the best show ever. Y'all, that show's so good. So good. I'm on the last season, but I'm taking a lunch break. So we're 3 hours in, roughly 3 hours in. So I'll see y'all soon. Up close and personal. Just some old Marley hair. No specific brand. I just found it in my hair closet. It's not even a full pack. And the reason I like using Marley hair because instead of braiding hair because it matches my texture more, and also I think it holds better and it won't. It's not. I'm sorry. I'm watching this and talking. It's not as prone to slip out or slide out. And I only add a little bit just so all the weight of the dread won't be on my hair. I just braid it. Just like that. And I'll braid it a few more times. And then now I'll go and do a twist. Around, I don't even know my, I think it was around 3:30. I'm gonna write the date, the time. So yeah, I'm gonna turn my light off because it's getting hot in my room and I'm gonna finish this. Okay, I'm back. This is my hair and I'm not really crazy about this. This is not the first color I would choose. This is probably one of the last colors I would choose, being that it doesn't look natural coming off the scalp. I'm more of the type of hairstylist that like to finesse people and make them believe it's somewhat real, and this doesn't look real at all. Whatever, let me just finish this up. Let me just finish this up. forgot how long it took me. I started. It took about 8 hours for me to do my hair. I think I'm gonna cut this into a bob. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, this is not what I go for, but I will insert pictures. Thank y'all for thank y'all for staying with me while I do my hair. Tell me how y'all feel about my face. I'm not really happy, but it's whatever. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for my next video, and I'll let you know how